That's pretty cool. Oh.
So I'm wondering what project I can do next. What can I make next? I'll tell you what we could do. Do you remember this stuff? Swarf. I've got a ton of this stuff left. This stuff is pretty cool. Did you see the table that I made using this metal? Swarf. If you haven't seen it, I'll kind of put it up here somewhere or there. But check that out if you haven't seen it. I basically did 2 coffee tables, mixed it up and did like a river table, which, you know, a few people have done, but I don't think they've done it with swarf, but I did. And obviously I got the idea of using swarf from Peter Brown and Carl Jacobson. All credit to those guys. Got to check out. They made a murder bowl. It was awesome. and Peter come up with this idea of putting it into resin and then gave it to Carl and he turned it. It's pretty awesome. So that's given me another idea to maybe use this again. So as I'd done the table, I thought to myself, I've got loads of this stuff. Let's make something else with it, because that seemed to go pretty well and I really enjoyed doing it. So how about we make some kind of funky pot or vase? Not too sure if I want to do a bowl. That's already been done. Yep, I think I've made up my mind. I'm going to do a funky looking swarf pot. This metal swarf is pretty cool. Look at this. Absolutely awesome. I love this. It looks really weird. Look at it. I've no idea how this is going to turn out, but this is quite a light kind of like sprinkling of black. So as you see, it's not very dark. So I don't know how this is going to turn out, if it's going to... But what I might do is I've got a little bit left in here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make that darker with a bit of a darker pigment. And then we'll do another version of this. So we've got this one which looks like this so far. Looks so cool, look at that. And then we will do a darker version as well. I've actually got some of this gold, kind of like Pearl-X pigment, sunset gold. I don't really know how this is going to work out if I add this to the black, but I'm going to add it to the black anyway, just to see if it does make it any sort of like weirder. Yes!
That's pretty cool.
Well, I don't know about you, but I reckon these are going to turn out pretty funky. Hey, let's get these badgers out. So, which one do we turn? You know what? I like that. I really do. But we've seen that. We've seen that with the murder bowl, and we've seen that with the table. This we haven't seen, and that looks really weird. I reckon I'm going to go with this one. I reckon this could look quite nice when it's turned out. Question is, do we add a piece of wood to this or not? This is actually turning quite nicely. Probably ruining my tools. I'm not too sure how to really kind of finish this pot project, but I'm thinking maybe something round. Whoa, check this out. This is weird. It's pretty cool actually. I like it. I have cut myself though. Bummer. This is pretty sharp stuff, so if you're going to try this, be careful. These are not nice. So we've got hollowed it all out now, quite nice. Just need to sand a little bit in there. Then we've got our little lid as well. Hasn't got much of the metal showing through on here, which is a little bit of a shame. But I can't go back down on it now. But that's okay, that's okay. You know, it works, it works. So there we go. So it just maybe gives it a little bit more of a feature there. So yeah, that's quite cool. So just need a little finial for that. I don't know what we're going to choose there. I'm not too sure yet. We'll sand this back, finish this off with a bit of Yorkshire grit and Shellawax cream.
Because this stuff really works.
Oh yeah, that is not bad. Shined up pretty well. Okay, so this has been parted off now. We've got the lid and we're going to try and find some kind of finial. Now I thought as this is incorporating lots of swarf metal, then maybe we go for something that's metalish, brass, copper. So I found this. It's a bullet. But it's a used one. I did get this actually for some kind of project that I am kind of in the middle in. I haven't quite finished it yet. I digress. But I reckon this might look quite cool. So I'm going to shine this up and I think this will sit quite nicely in there. Just because it's random and that's me. Weird? Yep, I know. It is a bit weird, a bit strange, and yes, I know many people might not like the bullet in the end, but I wanted to do something different, and I didn't want to do the finial again, because we always do the finial, don't we? And I had to do something different for the finial, so I bought these little bullets, and I thought, yeah, happy days. That will work nicely. So, got the inside in there, haven't really shined that up massively. I shined the outside up, and that turned out really nice. Look at that. That is pretty cool. My little emblem in the bottom there, as you can see, my little face waving at you. And I think the gold brass complements quite well, as we've got the bullet in the top as well. Yeah, this stuff, pretty dangerous. Well, not really well, it is dangerous, but it's kind of like very sharp, and I cut myself a couple of times on it, so you've got to be really careful, really like using this swarf. Done the table, river table, if you haven't seen that, go and check it out, and don't forget Peter Brown's murder bowl, and Carl Jacobson's, obviously. So we couldn't make a bowl, had to be something different, of course. I'm still going to use this stuff in something else, I'm not too sure what yet, but I definitely think we should continue the swarf saga. Happy days! Well, I just want to say thanks to today's sponsor, ExpressVPN. Yes, you know these guys. We've seen them a few times before, and hopefully you've checked them out already. But if you haven't, then ExpressVPN enables users worldwide to protect their privacy and security. So, I'm in United Kingdom. You can change your location wherever, and there's so many to choose from in the location. You just choose the location. You can go to all. There's loads of them in here. You can just select any one you want. The recommended ones are already listed. So ExpressVPN encrypts your data, preventing others from sniffing your information over the network. So now you can shop online with peace of mind thanks to ExpressVPN. Some other great reasons why to use ExpressVPN are you can access content that is only available in some countries. It's basically easy to use. One click. Best in class encryption and 24/7 customer support. Happy days. So get yourself 3 months free with a 1-year package. All you got to do is visit expressvpn.com/Nick Zammeti to learn more, with a 30-day money-back guarantee. So please check these guys out, folks. Not only is this a really great product and service, you'll be helping support me and my channel, but you've got to use the link below. That's expressvpn.com/Nick Zammeti. Well, I do hope you like this one, because it did take me a little while, and I cut myself twice. I quite like it. Please leave me a comment below and smash the like button. Don't forget to check out all my other links below. There's tons of stuff in there for you guys. Where I get my music from. A kit list for you guys in case you're thinking about starting woodworking or wood turning or making stuff. Don't forget Maker Central is coming up really soon. And we've almost sold out all stands. I think there's about 15 left. This is going to be big. We've even got this huge thing there called the Mantis. It's like this big 4-legged thing. That you're gonna love. Kids, come and see it. Tell your mums and dads. They gotta come. You gotta come. Anyway, I better stop waffling on. Hope you like it. Please share the video. That really does help me out. Tell all your friends that I made a metal pot swarf thing. Thanks to all my new subscribers that have come over to the channel. Please stick around, because we do all sorts of weird stuff on this channel. Some of it good, some of it not so good. But either way, it's still worth hanging around. I hope you all have an absolutely amazing weekend. Oh, I can show you a sneak peek quickly of my next project. Oh!